In English, when someone apologizes, there are different ways to respond politely and kindly. Accepting an apology is part of everyday communication, and it helps show understanding and forgiveness. In this lesson, learn how to reply naturally when someone says sorry. These simple expressions will make your conversations sound warm and friendly. The phrase, "that's okay," is very common in English. It is a gentle way to tell someone that their mistake is not a big deal. It shows kindness and understanding. For example, if someone says, "I am sorry I was late," you can reply, "That's okay, don't worry." This response helps people feel comfortable and forgiven. The expression "no problem" is friendly and casual. It is used often when the mistake is small or did not cause any harm. This phrase helps keep conversations positive and relaxed. For instance, if a friend says, "Sorry I forgot to call you," you can say, "No problem, it happens." It tells the other person that you are not upset. The phrase, "don't worry about it," is a comforting response. It helps the other person feel less guilty and shows that you have already moved on from the mistake. For example, if someone says, "I broke your pen, I am so sorry," you can reply, "Don't worry about it, I have plenty." It communicates that everything is fine and the relationship is still positive. Use "that's okay" when the mistake is small or unintentional. Choose "no problem" when you want to keep a friendly tone in an informal conversation. Say, "Don't worry about it" when you want to comfort someone who feels bad. All these phrases show forgiveness, kindness, and an easygoing attitude. They make communication smoother and more respectful. Using polite words is important, but the way you speak and your body language matter too. A genuine smile shows that you truly accept the apology. A calm and gentle voice makes others feel safe. Friendly eye contact shows honesty and respect. Keeping your body relaxed and open also sends a message that you really forgive the person. These actions make your words sound sincere. Let us listen to an example. One person says, "I am sorry for interrupting you earlier." The other person replies, "That's okay, I understand, you had something important to say." This short exchange shows how easily forgiveness can be expressed with a calm and polite tone. Accepting an apology politely shows care and emotional understanding. It builds trust and keeps relationships healthy. Simple phrases like "that's okay," "no problem," and "don't worry about it" are powerful when spoken with sincerity. Always mean your words and speak with kindness. That is the heart of good communication in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.